What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. I hope y'all had a good day. Horrible day for trading. I did not do well. Let's look at SPY. Yeah, this is 3 points on SPY. Analysis did not work out. I mean, basically, like, this is the, what's it called? Gosh, why can't I English? The week of Thanksgiving, the market just kind of generally grinds up, and that's kind of where we're at. Even with FOMC today, like, literally, like, nothing. What's up, Oliver? How you doing, brother? What's up, Jack? What's up, Zeus? What's up, Katsu? What's up, Corey? Big shout out to Corey. Corey, like, leaves a comment on every single video when we're not live. Super, super dope. Let's take a look. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm over it. I figured you guys wouldn't want to go live, but here we are. We've got some news tomorrow that might move. Other than that, there's nothing really going on. Let's see. Session volume profile. Wow. Too late to tell you guys to just swing calls. This is basically a D shape, uppercase D, and our POC is way up at the top. They're probably going to just grind this up tomorrow. What's up, Sarah? What's up, Big Dreamer? What's up, Triple G? What's up, T Foster? What's up, GG? Oh, so, like, I kind of have some mildly depressing news. I want to share it with you guys because I think it's only fair if I share it with you guys. I found out more about those kids that I was raising money for Christmas. I mean, the money part, nothing but good news. The kids, pretty sad. Basically, the family is a mother of 6, and the oldest child is 18, and 2 of the kids are twins, and the mom was pregnant with number 7. And to me, that's a huge family, and I'm not judging because I don't know anything about them financially. It looked like they lived in a nice house. But mom got into a car accident and she passed away, and as did the baby that she was pregnant with, which left behind the 6 other kids. And so basically those are the children that we're raising money for. And on that note, like, they're going to be very blessed this Christmas, like, not just from us, but it looks like there was a ton of presents donated for all of the kids. And we raised like $540 just from the YouTube. I bought a pair of Jordans for like the 15-year-old boy with my own money, and that was my contribution. And then with that $540, I'm basically just going to go, um, because like I said, there's a lot of stuff that's been bought, a lot of gifts and whatever, and I don't want to buy like duplicate stuff. Um, so I'm just going to go and get like five Visa gift cards and just split the money between all five kids, or between the five kids. Um, I bought, so like I said, there is six children, but I feel like I bought one kid like a really nice pair of Jordans. And so I'm not going to get a gift card for him, but with like the $540 that we raised, um, I'm just going to split um, between the five other kids. Actually, I don't even know that that's a good idea, because I think a lot of the kids got like stuff from other people. So maybe I should just split the $540 between all six kids, get six Visa gift cards, and then that way they can go out and buy something for themselves. Um, I also considered just buying like one big gift, because like two of the kids were asking for like a PlayStation 5, but I don't even know that that's going to be a good idea. I think the state is talking about splitting the kids up between different families. And I guess the 18-year-old daughter is trying to fight for custody, which I think is going to be hard. So, and you know, like as far as foster care, like nobody's taking on five kids, you know, in one house. So I think I'm just going to go out and get them all a Visa gift card, and that way they can go out and get something that they want or need or whatever. Yeah, it's um, digital PS5's on sale right now. Yeah. What's up, Slick Miss? How you doing? Anyway, I don't want to be super depressing, but I feel like, you know, I need to update you guys on that whole situation and what's happening, since I asked you guys to help raise money for them. So sorry for the sad news. I know it's not fun, but it is what it is, unfortunately. Yeah, it's rough. Actually, like that's something that nobody really knows about me. My older children, the mom started accusing me of all kinds of crazy stuff when I left her, um, including like drugs and I don't know, just like all kinds of crazy stuff. And the state took my kids away for like 3 months, but fortunately, my what's it called? I had a family friend that is a foster parent, and she didn't have any children at the time, so my kids went and stayed with her. And then, fortunately, like the judge asked, you know, like, because generally when your kids are in foster care like that, like, they do supervised visits, you know, like at a facility for like an hour a week or whatever, maybe 2 hours a week if you're lucky. And my family friend said, you know, Drew's welcome to come over to my house and visit his kids. I've known him for years. I know I can trust him. He's not going to do anything crazy. And the judge agreed to it. And so I think that also just helped me with getting full custody, because I showed up every single day. Like in the morning, I would show up and make my kids breakfast and get them dressed and whatever. And then I would go to work. And then after I got off work, I would come back over, cook them dinner, get them bathed, get them dressed for bed, whatever, read them a book, tuck them in, you know, kiss them goodnight. And then I would go home and come back and do it all over again the next day. And my ex-wife, um, well, the reason that I left her was drugs and alcohol. And she barely ever showed up. And so when we met up, like with the judge and whatever, he was asking the foster parent, like who was showing up and whatever. And she told him that my wife had showed up like a total of 3 times, I think, in the whole time the kids were with her, and that I was showing up every single day, and taking care of them just like it was my own house kind of thing. And so they gave me full sole legal custody of my boys. But so I've been there as well. But it's crazy, like, that somebody can just make accusations against you. They were so serious. Like, I don't even want to say what they were, like, on stream, even though it's not real. It was completely false. But I don't even want to talk about what it was, like, just because it's so disgusting to accuse somebody of all that crap that I was accused of. Anyway. Oh, this is a spike. It's a good thing I paid attention. Yeah. They're going to send this tomorrow. I think they're already kind of trying to do it on futures. Let's see. Wow. I kind of guessed right where the mid was without measuring. Good jit. Oh, I'm sorry, Oliver. Um, yeah, that's rough. I don't know. I think that's a lot of why I talk like I do. Like, make sure your loved ones know they're loved. Um, Make sure you keep dating your wife. If you're a woman, um, this might sound like it might sound perverse or whatever, but men need to be taken care of um, in the bedroom. That's how we feel intimacy and love. That's how we feel connection. I'll cover it in a second, Katsu. Um, and so, I mean, it goes both ways, but like, um, I think a lot of times when the intimacy is missing and lacking, um, it's kind of like generally the woman that's holding back. It can be both ways, but as a man, if you make sure that your woman is feeling, um, loved and taken care of, and you're taking her out on dates and not just saying, hey, let's go out for dinner, and you're saying, hey, let's go out on a date, those words change the entire context of everything. And then, but more than that, like, you have to make sure a woman feels safe and secure and taken care of, and house is cleaned up, whatever. um, and then men, we're pretty simple. You feed us and take care of us in the bedroom. That's right. Don't stop dating your woman. Um, yeah, I mean, that was a long time ago, Slickamus. Like, that was back in 2000, so it's all done now, whatever. Those kids are grown. Wait, 20, 28 years old and 26. Yeah. So, so a spike just means, since somebody asked, I'm not going to be teaching a class on TPO, but if you look at the blocks on TPO, this is basically, it's based on like every 30-minute candle is given a letter. So the first 30 minutes is A, second 30 minutes is B, third um, third 30 minutes is C, D, E, F, G, so on and so forth. And a spike is when the M period exceeds like the high of the day or exceeds the low of the day. And a spike basically means a few things. It means that price can continue higher, or this could be an area that we reject from and watch for puts, basically. Um, but with that said, tomorrow it's looking like they want to. I mean, like I was saying at the beginning of the video, the week of Thanksgiving, they generally just keep kind of grinding price up and up and up and up. Oh shoot, you're right. It is a poor low. I was testing you. Why not? What's up, Rudy? Yeah, that's a poor low. My bad. Congratulations, DJ Richie. Get off this video. Go spend time with your wife or girlfriend, and congratulations. Oh, you're saying wedding anniversary. So yeah, go spend time with your wife on your 13-year anniversary and 3-year anniversary. Congratulations on both. That's a big accomplishment. And then you can always just watch the video later, tuck her in, give her a kiss on the forehead, and then watch the video, man. So again, you kind of just have to, when you have like a spike, you need to look at like what's the story that they're telling us. And with this POC so close to the top, and we've just been kind of grinding up and up and up, I want to look at the dailies. Yeah, so on daily we have increasing volume over the last 3 days. Volume's still not very significant, but as we're pushing up, normally I would be saying this is not sustainable and we need like a healthy pullback. And I would be looking for that pullback at the spike. But right now, with it being the week of Thanksgiving, this is just going to probably grind higher. And it's going to be slow and boring. And that's kind of what we're doing on futures right now. I was watching this, and really just like every time price came lower, there was like very aggressive buying happening. I don't know about this here, but down here, I saw all 3 of these times, like the buying was very aggressive. But it was a little bit confusing because, if we're looking at market structure, we started making lower lows, lower highs. Here we made a slightly higher high, but then we made another lower low, and now they're pushing it up. We've made a new higher high from here. I can actually show you the buying that was happening. It was pretty impressive. Let me open up my footprints really quick. Passionate. First thing you need to do is not focus on making it back. So you just trade every day with a blank canvas, a clean slate. And now, obviously, each day the goal is to make money, but you forget about the losses, and eventually you grind it back up and make it back, But trading from the perspective of trying to make it back never works out. So, where was it? Oh, it's on NQ. It's going to be like this candle, I think, or this candle. Maybe this one. The buying was pretty wild. Oh, that's cool, DJ Richie. Then yeah, hang out with us. Dude, can you load already? Yeah, I can see that there's significant delays. My trading software just told me there's significant delays, and I'm like, yeah, I can see that. Um, where was that buying? Oh, what a bummer. I guess it's been overwritten. That's a bummer because it was kind of cool to see. Um, so on this candle here, it doesn't look like much. This candle here, this candle here, this candle here. There was completed auctions on all of them, meaning there was a buyer, there was no seller. Buyer, no seller. Buyer, no seller. So this one, there's actually two in a row. Oh, actually, this was the candle that I was looking for. So they started buying it up here very aggressively, and then on this candle, they came in really aggressive on the buying, where there was two zeros at the bottom. They still managed to push it down a little bit more. Had a completed auction on this candle as well. Pushed it a little bit lower, and I'm pretty sure. So like here, right in the middle, there's a zero. So this was all um, people buying at the ask and nobody selling at the bid. And then on this candle here, I think there was two of these zeros like right here, but price probably came back down, and then there was some activity there on the bid side as well, and then they pushed it higher. But yeah, this has just been it's been very aggressive buying. Um, and Oliver's probably excited to see me talking about this stuff. We're gonna get there, brother. We're gonna get there. All right. So that's that. Let's go back to Spy. We are not going to be watching for puts there. Yeah. I highly doubt they give this to us. Yeah, we're not looking for calls there either. Let's see. I highly doubt they give this to us, but if they do, grab calls right here. Um, and then you want your stop loss to be like somewhere around here. And your take profit, you're targeting up in here. Okay. More likely, though, if we're opening up in here somewhere, look for a retest, grab calls. Hmm? Can't find what I'm looking for. This? I'm doing it backwards. Cool. At least I found it. Still doing it backwards. What am I doing wrong? Boy, I feel dumb. In all fairness, I never use this tool. Like, no matter what I do, it's backwards. Mm. Oh, well. I would close here. Mm. Oh, I'm sorry. Was I like super quiet? My bad. I think I was deep in thought. And then Oliver, did you want to meet up after this? Let's see what time it is. Yeah. Oh, excuse me, guys. All right, so hopefully everybody understands the plan for tomorrow. I was very, very focused. Oh, wait, what just happened? What did I delete? Oh, I guess I have to draw a line here. Son bitch. Let's just make this 603. Regular trading hours for SPY. For futures, you use extended trading hours, except for TPO. Then you only use you use regular trading hours for everything on TPO. Okay, Oliver. Then yeah, we'll plan to meet up later. I'm gonna change my labels to right. Okay. What's up, Alan? How you doing? Yeah, so I'm just expecting them to grind up tomorrow. And basically, if we get in here, which I highly doubt, close here. Um, if this doesn't happen and we open either above or within the spike, I would wait for them to come back and retest it and grab calls, and I would get out at 603 ish. I wouldn't be looking for puts at all tomorrow, but that's just my humble opinion. Oh, they're finally selling a little bit. Yeah. You guys have any questions? Sorry that I got really quiet there. I was very deep in thought. Yeah, I'm not even looking, Darv. I'm not looking at options for tomorrow. I mean, I'm just charting SPY basically. I didn't look over any options because I don't think. I mean, I really just don't think tomorrow's like a day to buy. Yeah, sorry, Godson, I'm not. There's no point in looking at Tesla. Actually, I'm glad that this was like. I'm glad people are asking for stuff. Um, there's like really just no reason to even trade tomorrow. Um, it's going to be slow. It's going to be choppy. It's going to be boring. This is where you get in on Tesla. Here somewhere. There's a chance they bring it here. But they're going here. So one of these scenarios. All right. The the premium version of TradingView for $200 is an absolute steal. Um, and with that said, like it can be a lot of money for some people. So if it's not affordable, it is what it is. But if it's not going to break the bank, don't even hesitate. Just buy it. What's up, MacMan? How you doing, brother? Um, having access to TPO alone is worth every penny. So, yeah, Slickamus. I mean, we're still watching all of the same stuff. Like this Tesla, we've been watching this for a while. Actually, they got pretty close, huh? They're gonna come here. I actually like that they. I like that they did all this. Like this is kind of healthy. Pull back, and now they're gonna go here. So nice. And then also snow. We needed to come down to 158 to buy calls, and then it's going to 192. Excuse me. All right. It looks like we've covered all of the questions and everything. Yeah, good call. Hopefully you close them near the top because that was pretty sick. I know you got a good fill. Smart man. He listens to me when I say stupid shit. Like, where was it? I don't know. Somewhere down here or over here. I don't even remember. I think it was here. I was talking about it, and Oliver just straight up just bought calls, and like it ripped. So Elliott Waves, why not? I mean, it's all of the above. Elliott Waves, clouds, all of that. Gave me my price target. Alrighty. So, first, y'all have a good Thanksgiving. Um, Again, I want to really thank everybody that helped contribute to the kids. Really appreciate it. I'm sure they're going to really appreciate it as well. You know, as much as it's a crappy situation, like hopefully the outpouring of love from everybody at least, puts a smile on their face and helps ease a little bit of the pain. And again, I'm not trying to be super depressing, but it is what it is. It's kind of a rough subject. But you guys came through huge, and I really appreciate it. And I have to thank you guys. And then, yeah, no worries, David. Um, as always, people that sub, thank you so much for the support. People that comment, talk in the chat, really appreciate you guys. You're making doing this more interesting, like by having conversations. Thank you, Marie. I feel like, like I'm getting to know you all. Starting to feel like a family. Can kind of always rely on the same people to be here talking. What's up, Nathan Crow? And yeah, it's turning out really cool. And hopefully you guys are learning, and hopefully it's helping you guys. Yeah, we had a few good days where we had great calls on Spy. Today was just choppy and sideways and pretty blah. I'd be shocked if our analysis doesn't play out tomorrow of just grinding up higher, but it's going to be slow. With that said, from anybody that's like in Shorty's Discord, I am not going to be trading tomorrow. I won't be live. I'm going to turn off my alarms. I'm just going to sleep in. I probably won't even open a chart. I'm just going to chill and take it easy. Take a day off, which I very rarely do. I will not be live tomorrow because markets are closed for Thanksgiving. I will go live Thursday at some point in time, and probably just do like a quick update on Spy. Friday is going to be another boring, choppy day as well, though, so don't get too excited. I would recommend not trading Wednesday or Friday, but that's me personally. I don't think I'll be trading on Friday. Big thank you to everybody again. Big thank you to the friends of the stream. If you're new here and you feel like the information and content was helpful, I would appreciate a sub. And stay locked in. I know in the beginning it seems like overwhelming and confusing and hard, but the more you hang out, the more you attend our classes, the more all of this will start to click and make sense, and the better and better you'll get as a trader. So once again, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And if you're not American, that's cool. Thanksgiving is really all about like giving thanks to the people around you, being thankful for what you have, being thankful for the gifts and blessings that you have in life. And it doesn't matter if you're American or not, like you should appreciate everything that you do have. And so that's what it's about. Anyway, much love, everybody. Much respect. We will see you Thursday evening sometime for a quick update on Spy. And with that said, much love, much respect. Peace out, y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye.